Today, I'll be going through and showing you step-by-step instructions on how to install and change the ink tanks in the Canon PIXMA TR150. The compatible tanks are these here. Let's get started. Ensure that your printer is turned on. The ink tanks can be accessed here. When it is on, you can proceed to opening the print head cover. The print head holder will move to the replacement position. Do not touch the print head holder until it stops completely. If you are installing the ink tank on a brand new printer, be sure to remove the piece of tape found at the top of the tank. Hole is labeled on this piece of tape. Remove this before you try to install the ink tanks. Remove the ink tank where the ink has run out by pushing the tab here and lifting the ink tank to remove. If you are replacing empty ink tanks, be sure to remove the old tanks before starting. Now that we're where we need to be, we're going to take the ink out of the packaging. Remove the new ink tank from its packaging. Then, remove the protective cap from the bottom of the ink tank. For this printer, your color tank will be on the left side, and the black ink tank will be on the right. Now, press the front of the ink tank to release it, and then remove it from the slot. Make sure that you insert the ink tank into the slot that has the same colored letter as the color you are installing, and make sure not to touch the gold contact points. Insert the front end of the ink tank into the print head at an angle. Align the down arrow mark with the up arrow mark found here. Then, press the push mark on the ink tank until the ink tank snaps firmly into place. Make sure that the ink lamp lights up, just like this. Repeat steps 3 through 5 for each ink tank you are replacing. After you replace all the tanks that need replacing, close the cover. If turned on, the printer should automatically start recognizing the tanks being in place and process them to begin the printing process. All done, now you're ready to print.